generally speaking, £3 million. We do have £3 million of indemnity insurance, so that you know that you are in a safe hand, you are covered, you are insured. Hi, in this video I want to cover 4 questions that were asked in my previous YouTube videos comments, and this is the beauty of it. If you have any question, please drop your question in the comment section below now, and I might prepare a video for you next time. So these are the 4 questions, again from the previous YouTube video comments. It falls into 2 categories, so 4 questions, but basically there are only 2 answers to these 4 questions. So what I'll do is I will read out the questions first, 4 of them, and then I'll answer them in order, and hope that might help. So first question is from Nancy from South Africa, and what she is saying, I'm from South Africa and I'm looking to start a new life in the UK as SME. What's the process? That's question 1. Question 2 is from Sunil Kumar, and he said, I hope they will reopen the investor visa route soon. It's not a question but a statement, but I want to address that in this video. And number 3 was from Shani. He said, I am an MBA student in the UK. Is there any option for me to become the entrepreneur? I have business in India and my father is ready to invest here. Wow, okay. That's quite common. There are a lot of students in the UK and they have entrepreneur background from their family. Family is ready to invest in the UK. Can you please guide me? Of course, Shani. This is the video for you. And the 4th was from Shamil Imran. I really like your self-sponsorship route, but this is purely for rich person, and for rich people also hard because it's difficult to send money to such a person who meet on YouTube. You guys should think about some ways to deal with this fear, what we have to face. You know what I mean, sir? Yeah, of course I know what you mean, Shamil Imran, and I'll deal with that in this video for you, okay? So first 3 question is about how to start a business in the UK, entrepreneurship in the UK, alternate to investor visa route, and if family is ready to invest in the UK for Shani, who is a MBA graduate student. I mean, the standard option is, if you have watched my previous videos, I would suggest highly recommended videos on self-sponsorship route. It's the best possible route I can think of. Why? Because you are in 100% control of your visa all the time, because what you do is a 3-stage process, and it might be a repetition of my previous videos, but this is for the benefit of the audience who is watching this video very first time. Number 1, the 3-stage process. 3-stage process. 1 is incorporate your company in your name. You own the company, you would be the director of the company. Number 2 is get the sponsor license for that company, which is your company, UK based company, and then get a skilled worker visa for yourself. So because you are getting skilled worker visa, which is in a layman terms you can say work permit, and in technical terms in the UK visa is called skilled worker visa. So because you are getting skilled worker visas through your own company, for which you get sponsor license where you own the company and incorporate the company in the UK yourself, so we call it a self-sponsorship, right? For the benefit of audience who is watching this very first time, there is no immigration category within the UK immigration rules where you find self-sponsorship route, but it's nothing more than a sponsor license and skilled worker visa, which you can find it on UK government website and within the immigration rules too. If you have more doubt about this route, why don't you watch these 2 or 3 videos I've created on YouTube, which is very informative and very popular. They were watched thousands of times, so please watch those videos. I will ask my team to include those links in the description section below, so have a look. This is for Nancy, for Sunil, and for Shani, who is MBA graduate. So please have a look. It might be very, very helpful. And again, if you are still not sure and you might have some follow-up question, I would invite you to drop a query to my team using the contact us form. It's again in the description section below. Please use that form because we have a professional team looking out for all inquiries. We receive very high volume inquiries, but same time we have a large team to deal with these inquiries. So I'm sure you will be looked after well by my team and they will answer your question and queries. Please note they are not providing bespoke legal advice. So if you need a bespoke legal advice, you might have to arrange a paid consultation with one of the lawyer. So that's for 3 question. Number 4, and this is quite important and interesting, what Shamil Imran has raised. He said, even is this for rich person? It's again very subjective topic. I can't comment on it, but if you are investing in the UK is of course a developed country, and of course the living standard is very high. It might come across as pricey for some. For some it might not. If you want to run your business in the UK, it can start as little as maybe £25,000 to maybe a £250,000, or maybe £1 million, or £5 million, or £10 million. I don't know, because it's up to you how you want to run your own business. So it's very subjective whether it's for rich person or not. I can't comment on this video, but what I can do is I can deal with the concern, the fear that Shamil Imran has raised, that how do I pay fees to someone I met on YouTube? Absolute and very valid a question, and very valid objection or fear, and I'm more than happy to deal with that, Shamil Imran, for you as well as for the wider audience who is watching this video. So yes, I'm doing a lot of YouTube videos, at least once a week. But what I would invite you to do, first thing first, is please do check us out on the government website. It's actually SRA regulated, so we are regulated by SRA, it's Solicitors Regulation Authority. So SRA regulates all solicitors firm in the UK. So this is how you can check. You can Google it, go on SRA website and search my company name, which is AY Law Limited, trading as AY&J Solicitors. You can also find my SRA ID on my website. If not, I'll put that in the description section below. So what you can do, you can put that ID or just my name, company name, which is AY Law Limited, trading as AY&J Solicitors, on SRA website, and this is how you can verify that we are a regulated, authorized solicitors firm. When someone is SRA regulated, they have minimum of, generally speaking, they have minimum of £3 million of indemnity insurance, professional indemnity insurance with them. So we hold a professional indemnity insurance. If something was to go wrong, we have indemnity insurance to deal with your claim. Just worst case scenario. This is worst case scenario. It has never happened in my lifetime, in my career, but just in case, every SRA regulated firm has indemnity insurance. Generally speaking, £3 million. We do have £3 million of indemnity insurance, so that you know that you are in safe hand, you are covered, you are insured when you are seeking a professional legal advice from us. That's number 2. Number 3 is just search us on Google, right? So if you type my company's name on Google, you can see there are at least 1,000 reviews combined on Google as well as on Trustpilot. And these are all genuine clients talking about their experience with us. People do have fear, oh, how do I know these are not fake reviews? But generally speaking, when you read through the reviews, you will get the gist of it, the tone of language, and the language they use, this very personalized experiences they share there. So there are almost 1,000 reviews, if not 1,000, almost 1,000 reviews on Trustpilot and Google. So that's number 3. Number 4 is search on Google News. So on Google tab there is there's a news tab. So I would invite you to go on Google News tab and search for AY&J Solicitors. Just put my name there, Yash Dubal. So if you do this, I do write on a regular basis for mainstream media, professional magazines in the UK as well as in India. So you will find me speaking about in Economic Times, the Print, Metro, CTAM. There are also some well-known publication in South India, Gujarat Samachar, Midday, Money Control. So these are all reputed, mainstream media, very large scale, very famous, very reputed media publication where I do write on a regular basis. So that might give you a confidence that these are legitimate people doing legitimate business, so that you can then deal with this potential fear. Who you speaking with and who are you paying your fees to? So these are the 4 topics and 4 points I can think of right now. Number 5 I will add, and the last but not the least, is there are also some video testimonials on my YouTube channel. So I would invite you to go there and watch those YouTube video. There is a section called testimonials, client testimonials on YouTube channel. So there are a few, at least I think so 7, 8 YouTube video testimonials of my clients. So please watch that as well. These are genuine clients, so you can search them. You can even search those clients on Google. So these are all reputed companies, reputed directors, CEO, or professionals, well known in their field. They have done video testimonial for us. So these are the 5 points I can mention in this video to address your fear, Shamil Imran. Hope that helps for you as well as for the wider audience to let us deal with their case. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any question, query, why don't you just drop that in a comment section below now, and I'll address those questions for you in the next or follow-up YouTube videos. Thank you for watching. If you like my content, please do subscribe to my channel. Share this video with anyone you think might be helpful. Thank you. All the very best for your UK immigration application. Bye bye.